So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna talk about the chin tuck. This one is it's not too difficult. It's more of a scoop and a lift here. It is kind of like considered to be like the cherry on top. Once you have all these other pieces, anchor, lift, shoulder blades back and everything, then we can kind of get this on top. It's pretty tough to maintain all this, and it's even tougher to have all this collapse and just trying to do this and expecting that that's gonna stay, because it won't. Everything's pulling that down and you're gonna be just working against yourself. So rather than just practicing the chin tuck, I would say try to practice that with everything that you do to keep that there. Maybe using a wall, and what you can do is you can use nothing like this that's too heavy, but maybe like a pillow or a cushion or a foam roller or bolster. This is pretty heavy, so I wouldn't recommend it, but something like this behind your head, and actually keep that against the wall when you're doing some of this stuff here, these lifts and things, to be able to maintain as you stretch tall, anchor, lift with the chin tuck. You want to make sure you have about the space of like your fist or like a softball here, not like this. Okay, so we're driving the chest, shoulder blades back, anchoring, lifting, and tucking the chin, and then practicing that with or without something here while you're doing all those other things. But that's the way to retrain it. You got to incorporate it with pretty much everything that you do so that it stays, because you're not going to want to think about that as an afterthought when you're doing everything else. So just tack it on to the end. Okay, good.